Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my video series of my channel Learning Arabic Made Easy. In this second lesson, I will teach you the Arabic alphabet. So let's start. Alif. Example. Arnabun. Arnabun. A rabbit. Ba. Example. Babun. A door. Ta. Example. Tajun. A crown. Tha. Example. Thawrun. A bull. Jim. Example. Jamal. A camel. Ha. Example. Hisan. A horse. Kha. Example. Kharoof. A lamb. Dal. Example. Dubbun. A bear. Dhal. Example. Dhib. Wolf. Ra. Example. Risha. Feather. Za. Example. Zarafa. Giraffe. Ta. Example. Tawus. Peacock. Dha. Example. Dharf. Envelope. Kaf. Example. Kalbun. A dog. Lam. Example. Laymoon. Lemon. Mim. Example. Ma'iz. A goat. Noon. Example. Namir. Tiger. Saad. Example. Saqar. Falcon. Dhad. Example. Dhabu. Hyena. Ain. Example. Usfoor. Bird. Ghain. Example. Ghurab. Crow. Fa. Example. Feel. Elephant. Qaf. Example. Qird. Monkey. Sin. Example. Samak. Fish. Sheen. Example. Shajara. Tree. Ha. Example. Hilal. Crescent. Waw. Example. Wardatun. Rose. Ya. Example. Yamama. Dove. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any question, please add them to the comment section. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next lesson. مع السلامة.